Alright, so we have little baby Lucas who is making some funny sounds. We want to see whether or not, when the video's on him, whether or not he'll make these throaty voices or whether or not it'll be the high-pitched one. Usually what sets him off is a little bit of food in his mouth. So, let's see here. Okay, Lucas. 要不要吃一点? Here you go. Yeah. Okay, what we're giving him is a little cheese from a quesadilla. Here's another little piece. Mmm. Okay, we got him going. The monster. Any more sounds from our little guy? What do you think, baby? Oh, okay. Sorry, we're not trying to make fun of you. We'll turn off the camera, Lucas. All right, bye.